Look at Zoe today.
To Zoe. Zoe. It's being really cute. Hi, Zoe. Hi, Zozo.
I'm very awake.
Yeah, I wanted to get some action photos today. Look, I'm waving. I'm waving. Ah. Oh, now I'm open. I have the hiccups and everything. Action photos.
Arabia. Susanna, say Arabia. Say Arabia. 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 Arabia.
Oh.
I have a little chapped lip. But I'm still super cute.
Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute.
Turn. I think you called her Zuzu. You did.
I called her?
Yeah. We could listen. I think it was Zuzu.
I think you called her Zuzu at first.
It's
Okay, back to Zoe.
Is this doing a little better as a whole?
Oh, yeah, look. It's definitely gone down. Look at that.
I'm so cute. Look at my big cheeks.
Oh, but I'm looking unhappy at the moment. Yeah, definitely the blisters. Looking much better. My boo-boo's looking much better. Look at how cute I'm being with my little chapped lips. Zoe. Zoe. Hi. I got the hiccups and I'm making a cute face.
Oh, I
And
scowled.
I'm scowling.
cold.
And now I'm very relaxed at the moment. I'm just kind of hanging out here.
Where's my baby
Look at
dinosaur?
how cute I am.
Think that.
Look at how cute. Can't believe I'm only 3 days old.